end of my birthday party, we're sitting around playing yahtzee, doing stupid shit. And of course we were arguing, of course. But we were trying to. This is the new laptop I was trying to sync. We never got around to it, but whatever. But we're not done playing Yahtzee yet, so whatever. I'm not done getting drunk yet. Okay, so birthday party, we're gonna do night vision droning with this drone, and droning with this drone, and of course there's gonna be a lot of beer involved. It's my birthday party, so we're over in the parking lot. We're gonna screw up this stuff. Okay, this is birthday night with drones and another drone, and we're trying to go to, you probably can't see it, but we're gonna follow. I've never done this before, so we're gonna follow this drone and see if it lands on the landing spot. If Ron can make it work. Oh, that's not night vision. Wait, where's the night vision? I don't know which. I'm still working on it, though. Oh. I don't know if night vision is working. I don't know. Yeah. There you go. He's trying to land on a little boxy thing. Get up there. Get up there, cowboy. Yeah. We're going to try again. Ready? Yep, go. On the box, on the box, on the box, on the box. Yeah, okay, close.